Here's a large Nobby from Lightning Ridge, Australia, of opal. Rules in millimetres, and the material's been wetted. Not white as the reflection of the light. As you can see, it's got some reds showing through here. Looks like a bar of colour. This possibly could be the bottom, although this is a lot thicker. This is thicker this side, so you need to grind it round and work out where the bar is, how thick it is. Sometimes you can cut it in half with a very thin saw. As you can see, there's the colour, seems to be coming through quite a fair bit. Not over here is heavy hard clay. It's very hard this, to keep tumbling the stone. All you'd end up with is nothing, because the clay is as hard as the opal nearly. Like I say, there's some pinks and reds showing through here. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.